everybody, this is Meaghan, and today I'm going to be showing you all how to make a jar of smiles. So here at Girls Inc., we know that the world is a bit stressful right now, so we just want to take some time and remind you all to do something that makes you smile. So for this craft, what you're going to need is a jar of some kind or some kind of container to keep all of your smiles in. You're also going to need some construction paper, some scissors, tape, and markers or something to write with. You can also bring something to decorate your container with. I'm going to be using these sparkly rainbow stars because they make me super happy. So let's get crafting. And there you have it. That's how you make a jar of smiles. So now next time you feel sad or stressed out or overwhelmed, you can just open up your jar, pull something out, and smile. What did you write in your jar? Let us know in the comments. See you all next time.